Did you donate crypto to Ukraine? Well, if you did, you might be entitled to a crypto airdrop. And this was confirmed by the official Ukrainian government account on Twitter. Welcome to Mason Capital. Today, I wanted to give you guys a quick update about the potential airdrop and if you donated crypto to the Ukrainian government. Now, if you donated in Ethereum or USDT before March 3rd at 6 p.m. Kiev time, you should be entitled to the crypto airdrop. Now, if you made donations in the form of Bitcoin and other currencies, unfortunately, I don't think you're going to be eligible for the airdrop, just simply due to the fact that majority of these airdrops are on Ethereum, as well as it's much easier for them to send out all of those tokens as well as potential NFT. So let's talk total of donations for each crypto. The Ethereum community raised about $5 million. The Bitcoin community raised about $10 million. Gavin Woods, the creator of DOT, donated $5 million in DOT. The Tron community donated close to 1.3 million in Tron, yet they have been excluded from the airdrop as confirmed by Justin Sun, the creator of Tron. Personally, I don't think they should have mentioned the airdrop just due to the fact that many people are probably going to try to game the airdrop just so that they can make money off of it. They should have actually just gone ahead and done a stealth airdrop and just gave it to anyone who donated as opposed to confirming it on their Twitter. Now, we still don't have a clear explanation of how this airdrop is going to be distributed, so time will tell. Now, if you're donating just to profit off of this, I highly recommend you do not do this, because potentially you'll receive something that may not have no value, and there is no perceived value on airdrops. However, the market will decide whether or not there is value attached to that airdrop. Then again, no one knows what could actually happen. This could end up potentially being something similar to Constitution DAO, where it just takes off and it's all over the news. Without a doubt, this has proved that cryptocurrency users and investors are willing to donate and are very generous. I just hope for peace to be made and for the conflict to end, because we're getting to a point where it's becoming extremely serious with talks of nuclear weapons being used. Anyways, I will see you guys on the next video. If you guys could comment down below, like the video, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.